everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to show you how I created this mixed media background on this layout I have made with the August Creative Kit Club. So the first thing I did is I've got my ivory cardstock as my background, and I've just grabbed myself a permanent black marker. Mine is an Artline Supreme, and it's a fairly thick one. And then I'm literally just going to start freehanding circles. So I just took a piece of paper and just practiced drawing my circles on there first, just to see the action I needed. I always recommend practicing, and then it's just literally a matter of committing to the layout and start drawing some backgrounds. Now I've used the rule of thirds, and I am drawing my circles in the top third of the page. Okay, so they're to the top, and then on a couple of them I just did some really loose stars, and that's it. That's all I did with the background. It's just take your pen and just commit to it. Okay, so next I grabbed some of the distress crayons. You get these in the kit, and then I've taken the little acrylic mat that you get as well, and I started just colouring onto the acrylic block. Okay, and then just a little bit of water and the brush that comes with the kit, and just started painting on here. Now I did that to all of the circles, and I am literally just going to do a couple of them because, well, I suppose I could speed this up. We'll be here all day if I showed you them all. See how it's kind of quite light? What I decided was that I really didn't like it as light as what it was. So after I dried it off a little bit, and I'm just going to dry it off now, and I'll speed this up. So drying it is really boring for you guys. Okay, I'm back. So what I actually decided that I was going to do to get a more intense colour, I actually started very lightly just doing the little scribbles straight onto the page. Then I dipped my finger in some water and just started smudging it, and then I just got a really more intense colour, and I thought that was really cool. So I did the same over here. Okay, so I just smudged and swirled to get a really intense colour. So I kind of did that with all of them. I'm going to do that now, and then I'm just going to speed it up to show you what I did in real life. Okay guys, so on my original layout I also did some extra circles. So this little circle here is an extra one. So I coloured on another sheet of ivory. I coloured another few just freehand circles and coloured them in as well, and fussy cut them around to use as little slipper inners. So that's a slipper inner, that's a little slipper inner in case I needed them, like this one's on top as well. So colour in probably maybe 3 or 4 on another piece of ivory, and then you'll fussy cut them out afterwards. So while you're doing it, I just want to show you, this is our stash logs die, and I've cut up 2 of those out in big and 2 out in small, and I've also just coloured those in the same way with the distress crayons. Okay, the next bit I want to show you bring this back, is that these drips, so I didn't want to do all the drips at once because they might run into each other and smudge. So I kind of cheated a little bit and I created my little puddle of red. Okay, so I created this and dripped it on here. And then let it run. Okay, once I had my runs happening, or I wanted them to, I kind of controlled it and I dried each one individually and I did them all that way. Okay, all done. Can you tell I'm not one of those fabulous mixed media artists that would just have all the mess running everywhere? I can't cope. I do like a little bit of control over my mess. Next I'm going to do is this little flicking motion. See how there's all the little bits of just flicked? I like flicks. So it's exactly the same process again. We're just going to make up a little watercolor on our palette, and then it's literally a matter of just flicking it. I do a tap. Some people would like to do a flick on their finger, and we're just going to add some colour. We might add a little bit of the red too, I think. Just creating my paste and my watercolor and a little bit of red. Alright, dry that off. And one more step on the background. Okay, final step guys, is I took this flowery leafy, this one, from the stamp set and put it on my acrylic block. Take your VersaFine ink or Versamark ink that you got in your kit. Remember, all these products are included in the August Creative Kit. So this is it, the black soot ink. And then I just kind of started stamping it randomly over the page, just in a few spots, just to add some interest and some texture. Maybe one there, because obviously this background is different from my other one already, because you can never get two backgrounds the same. It's just a fun creative process, and I hope you girls that are not used to using these sort of products feel a little bit more comfortable watching me do this. Both Kasha and I will be creating process videos every month for our Creative Kit Club, and I hope you guys enjoy what we do for you. Okay, so that's it. This is the final product. I will show you compared to the original. So there you go, slightly different. I didn't use red on this one, and I've used red on this one. You will see all the rest of the steps to create this are in the Creative magazine that comes in the Creative Kit. for August, visit our website www.uniquelycreative.com.au and click on the August 2018 Creative Kit, and you will get the instruction book to make all the layouts that you can make with this kit in there. So I hope you really enjoyed watching this. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the little bell button so that you get notifications when we post new things. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.